not saying anything. This is your chicks.
Welcome to Helene's Corner. So this is Gurney Road. What I've noticed is that we are still being fed by the north and the southwest up till now. What happened to Abakaliki hatchery that Jim Wobodo built? Why is it not functioning up till now? What is happening? There was a time Ebonyi State used to feed a day old to Nigeria, but now imagine bed. Do you understand me? Like, we have hatchery here, but the whole bed is coming from Ibadan. Can you?
You have to visit that hatchery. Are we going there now? Just to know exactly why is it not working. Hatchery.
Well, and that's not even the case. Food is coming from Kaduna. The chicken food. Chuko is Kaduna. I just brought back the chicks. Look at them there. I want to put them inside the cage. See, I washed this yesterday. I got them both the feeder and the drinker. This is our chicken. There too. Guys, what I remember, the time we were kids, my mom used to rear chicken. Early in the morning, she would go and tell us to go and check how many died. We'll come and hit to know the ones that are not moving. Chicken is high risk, high risk. If you want to train chicken, you have to be prepared for the worst and for the best. Probably the three.
What?
The four.
They fall?
Our ceiling has fallen down. Jesus, I hope we did not hit any chicken. I was just coming to check on the chick. If this chicken survive, oh my God, this is a miracle. Serious miracle. Should we put it together with others?
No.
What should we do? Hold.
Remove the put on each other. Remove the put each other.
Is it
It's already
working
standing.
now?
Yeah.
So I can put it with others now.
Remove it so that water won't touch it.
You remove it from See me, I want to rear chicken. Hey! I'm indirectly scared of chicken. Let me tell you the truth. Okay? Grandma said what? Carry that last one and give her now. Because they are see what they are doing. See what they are doing. They are biting his eyes. Did they think it's food?
Yes.
They might kill it though.
Nobody's cleaning it.
See, they might kill it. Psst. Remove it. They want to attack it though. Remove it though.
After. I got some. They don't do now. You know the
Now they think it's food though. See. See, let them not kill it though. See, they want to gather it though. He's running for his life. This one have started jumping.
Which?
See, jump and stay on top of that place. He's not eating you. Oh, that chicken is a miracle chicken. Oh. I swear. Had to pour water for me. Then she took the drinker and covered the chicken up. The chicken stayed there. Yesterday I didn't come back on time. I came back late, so I didn't. Normally I pour out the water as in I clean the drinker somehow. So nobody did that for me yesterday. And imagine, and even I did it normal, the chicken would have been 12 hours only there, but the chicken had to stay 24 hours there. Imagine. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it a wrong decision to join the chicken there at this time? Do we have vet doctors there? Or is it right for me to allow the chicken join others and be getting used to the whole scenario once again? What do you guys think? Just drop it in the comment section, because what we did this morning was, when we came out, when we saw this chicken under the drinker, we now took the chicken out. We gave the chicken some water, kept the chicken in the sun, put a lantern close to it. The water has glucose, that is, it has this glucose inside of it, just for energy. Then we stayed for some time. We just came out again after 2 hours. The chicken was already standing up like this, so we decided to mix the chicken up with others.
But it looks different. So others are looking at what is going on. Is it part of us,
or is it food? Baby, look at the leg of the chicken self. It's red, bloodish.
The weight of the water drinker.
Hey God.
The weight of the drinker. Treasure.
I was even saying I will mark the chicken. Only that itself have marked the chicken self. Only that thing. I pray this chicken will survive. If this chicken survives,
Thanksgiving.
I'm telling you. I'll call this chicken special chicken.
So guys, tune up to our channel to provide you updates on our new poultry farm.
This is day 5.
Day 5 of the chicks, right? How many beds are here?
This is our first test running after so many years. I've done chicken before now. This is not my first time anyway. But this is our first rearing after several years.
How many beds are here? How many beds are here?
How many beds are here? There are 26 now. So guys, thank God that the chick survived. The mistake she made when keeping the drinker is that normally when you want to keep a drinker in the cage, you're supposed to use your hand to make sure that there is no chick around there before you now drop the drinker, else you might drop it on the body of the chick, and then even though the chick survived, it's definitely had a stunted growth. And then with time we are going to show you how the chick look and how others look. If you also want projected cost of what it will take us when it's 6 weeks, 8 weeks, you let us know at the comment section and we are going to do that. If there's any video related to this that you also want, just drop it at the comment section and we are going to make that for you. So bye bye, see you guys, love you as usual. Miracle chicken, bye bye.